एक्सेलरेशन डिफाइन करेंगे हम एक्सेलरेशन क्लास 9th चैप्टर मोशन क्लास 9th फिजिक्स मोशन पॉइंट है एक्सेलरेशन acceleration of a body acceleration of a body defined and rate of change of velocity per unit time rate of change of velocity per unit time is called acceleration acceleration represent small a and acceleration is a vector quantity acceleration is a vector quantity acceleration a body acceleration is defined as the body of a rate of change of velocity rate of change in velocity rate of change in velocity by time taken by time taken is called acceleration. Next definition, short definition of acceleration. Defined acceleration, rate of change of velocity per unit time is called acceleration. For formula for acceleration, a is equal to acceleration small a is equal to rate of change of velocity v minus u by time taken t. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and t the time taken in changing velocity. T the time taken change in velocity, change in velocity, time taken in velocity per unit time. So where v is equal to final velocity of the body and u is equal to initial velocity of the body and t is equal to time taken in change in velocity. नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में कुछ पॉइंट्स आता है चेंज इन वेलोसिटी फॉर्मूला फॉर चेंज इन वेलोसिटी change in velocity is equal to final velocity vf minus vi. This is the initial velocity, this is the final velocity vf minus vi or v minus u. Change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity. The formula for change in velocity. Next point, SI unit of acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity represent small a. SI unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration or a. SI unit of acceleration is equal to final velocity v minus initial velocity u by time taken. Unit of velocity and unit of time taken. Unit of velocity and unit of time taken. Unit of velocity are meter per second divided by unit of time equal to second. unit meter by second is equal to meter per second square, multiply by second into second, it's second square, or meter s inverse square, meter per second square, meter per second square, or meter square inverse. SI unit of velocity is very important. SI unit of velocity is equal to meter per second square. Next point, equation of motion. Equation of motion. Equation of motion. Class 9 physics, three equation of motion. Motion of equation in three. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion. First equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT, and second equation of motion, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and third equation of motion, V is equal to V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, where V is final velocity, U initial velocity, A acceleration of the body, and S distance or displacement. S is distance and displacement. Vector S is displacement and small s is distance. First, V is equal to where V is equal to final velocity, U is initial velocity, and VU and T is time taken. T is the time taken. Final velocity, initial velocity, and time taken. VUA at is equal to acceleration of the body. Acceleration of the body or object. S distance. S is represent the distance of the body. S is distance of the body. U is the initial velocity, and half A is the acceleration. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, and 2 is a constant, and there is the acceleration of the body, and S is the distance. For three equation of motion, very important, use for numerical value. Next, at a body of a rest, a body at rest, आइडेंटिफाई द ग्राफ ऑफ ए मोशन. कुछ क्वेश्चन में हमको ग्राफ दिए जाएंगे और उस ग्राफ में हमें ये आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा कि बॉडी एट ए रेस्ट और रिप्रेजेंट द ग्राफ ऑफ ए डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ ए बॉडी एट रेस्ट और स्टेशनरी. कोई भी बॉडी रेस्ट की पोजीशन में हो, रेस्ट, उस कंडीशन में जो हमारा डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ होगा वो कैसे हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. सो द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ ए बॉडी, द टाइम that is 0, next 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second, 7 second, dot so on, that represent the time in second, and y-axis represent distance. represent the distance. Let us first kilometer is 0, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 20, 30, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Distance in meter: 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 25, 30 and 35 meter. A body or 1 first second, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh second. In time in second. A body at rest. So a body is covering 1 second is equal to 20 meter. 20 meter. And the next body cover next second is 10 meter at 20 meter. And body cover next third second is 20 meter. Next fourth second body is covering 20 meter. And body cover next 5 second is 20 meter. And 6 second is 20 meter. And 7 second is 20 meter. So the graph of distance time graph, a body at rest, position of the rest or stationary, the graph is represent the distance time graph is so on. So I can be observed that the body of rest, a body is rest. So distance, time is increasing order, but distance is stop or rest. Distance is 20, 20, 20, 20. First second, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7 second. A body is stop or 20 meter. 20 meter. First, second, third, fourth, 5. I can be observed a body is rest. A body is rest. A distance is not interchange and but time is increasing order. First second, third second, fourth second, dot 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 so on. But body cover 20 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter after next second body is a body cover at motion distance time graph. Distance time graph. Distance time graph in motion. In motion. For example, a body is 0, first second, second, third, fourth, fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will represent time taken. Time taken in second. And body cover 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 35 meter. Y-axis. This is the x-axis. The body cover first second is point A and the next second is 20 meter. Or next fifth second is 35 meter. Point A, point B and point C. So we present the distance time graph in motion or non-uniform motion. This graph is represent a curved line. This represent is a curved line. It is non-uniform motion. And distance time graph uniform motion. Distance time graph. So body is a straight line. Time first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And time in second 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 and 35. So first second is point A, 10 meter. next second is 20 meter, and third second is 10, देखो 10, 20 and 30, so 30, it is a straight line, so uniform motion is a straight line, or non-uniform motion or curve line, and this is a straight line. Is a straight line or uniform motion. A graph of a curve line, a graph of a straight line. A body cover in non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, this graph is represent a curve line, and this inform is a straight line. Okay.